Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy, let's show Ride 254, man. As you can see, got the hood up over here on the Chevy. Got the master flow sensor change died. Seem to be running good. We're finna see how she run in a minute when we take her to the store, the parts store, to get some parts for this right here. As you can see, we got a tank dropped on the Chevy. Old pump off. We had the fuel injection hose on this side. Had just regular fuel line on this side. That might have been an issue. I'm not sure. Being that all the pressure was on this side of it, I don't really know. But we don't got to worry about that no more, because as you know, we're going from this setup here, return and a feed with no baffle. Still got some gas in there. We're going to transfer that over to this setup here with feed, fuel, return, and a vent with our intake pump, just like that. So we're gonna get that everything hooked up. But before we do that, like I said, we gotta run to the store. We're going to get some additional fuel pressure hose. I was thinking 3 feet. Well, actually I was thinking 6 feet. But I think 3 feet should be long enough to get it from here to the feed line on the car. And then we just have to wire up that 3 pigtail joint. The sending unit was separate. Here was the wire right here. And it just pretty much stuck on there for your sending unit. So it's gonna be a little bit different. So what I'm gonna do is I clip the end off of here. And that will feed into the wire that goes to the feed, or for the signal for the sending unit. So that'll be like modified starter. You know what I'm saying? Get that in there and get it good to go. And then on that side, as just a connection that's already on the car right there. So it's good to go with that. So make sure that we know exactly what we're getting. Fuel line, we're getting fuel injection clamps. Fuel line size is gonna be 3/8. Yeah. Also, while I'm there, I'm gonna see if they have a transfer pump. Then maybe I can take some of the gas out of here, put it over there. But only time will tell. So let's go get this 3/8 hose, so that we can get that on there. I don't know that that's gonna be an issue trying to fit the hose over that. If it is, then we'll just cut it off and then flare it out and then put it on there. So let's go. All right, so we just now leaving O'Reilly's. See it in the rear view. We got our fuel injection hose here. I'm actually glad I just checked. I was about to pull off and shit. I just looked on the back of it and it says not for fuel injection system. I told the dude I needed it for fuel injection. These damn parts store people be tripping, bro. All right, one more time. Let's try this again. Fuel injection clamps. They got multiple sizes in here. You gotta make sure you have the one that fit the 3/8 hose. 3/8 hose is the one that goes for your feed line from the pump. Fuel injection hose. Actually, the biggest difference on this brand is that it is green. Yeah, on here it's written in green. So if there's a tip that I can convey and leave with you today, is definitely make sure that you double check your parts and stuff when you leaving the parts house. Not everybody can be great. Not saying that I'm great, but everybody is subject to mistakes, no matter the cause, man. So anybody can make a mistake. So just double check your purchases at the parts house. All right, y'all. Got the gas in there. Got everything installed, everything up on here. I'm not exactly sure about the connections. I did go back and do some reading and research. If you notice on this side, you have black, purple, and gray. Gray could be mistaken for the center unit, but the center unit wire is actually purple. Gray is the power wire, and as you can see, it actually comes out black on this harness, so you got to pay attention to what goes to where. So gray is your power, black of course is your ground, but it's coming out blue on this side, so just make sure you pay attention to that. Once you have it all wired and have it put together, then I mean you can tape it off and it'll never be changed. But if you're installing this for the first time on something that's not necessarily factory, then definitely pay attention to that. So now that we got everything installed, like I just kind of got that wired hanging just in case we run into any issues and we have to go a different route. So until I actually know that said problem is fixed, then I don't go ahead and throw everything back together until then. So we're gonna hook up our fuel pressure gauge here up here at the top of the pump. Sender unit, you can see this is my feed line. I got the clamp on there for the clamps, fuel pressure line clamps. Don't use the regular ones, use these. Then as you can see, we have the return hose on there. It's not under pressure, so that one should be fine. And then it's going right up to the feed line, which is here. And as you can see, we have another clamp on there. I'll make sure I had everything clamped down good. Double checking the work, making sure it's sealed tight, so if that was an issue, we won't have it again. So let's crank her up and see what happens. All right, so of course my first suspicion, you know what I'm saying, being that we was losing pressure and everything like that, my first suspicion is gonna be to make sure that I check this gauge here. So y'all probably won't be able to see it, but I can see it from inside the car and can see where the pressure gonna be at. Oh snap. Hold on, y'all. That's the fuel pressure with the key on, man. That's the fuel pressure with the key on, man. Oh shit, we turn the key off. Keys in hand. The pressure is holding, people. Uh-oh. Let's go on and crank it up and see what happened, man. Oh, beautiful. Let's see where our fuel pressure's at. Oh snap. No more jumping around fuel pressure, man. You gotta be fucking shitting me. You're... That is beautiful, man. Beautiful, man. See, give a little bit of gas. Oh yeah, baby. That's what we like. That's what we like. Next video, you know what's going down. Test drive, baby. LS Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Hold on, man. Identify your weaknesses, dog. Making your strengths gone.